Detox waters are a popular health trend that offer a refreshing way to hydrate and cleanse the body using simple ingredients infused into water. These beverages are not only visually appealing, but are also packed with vitamins and antioxidants, helping to flush toxins from the system, improve energy levels, and aid digestion. Here are 10 delicious detox water recipes that promote detoxification and enhance overall wellness. The mixing and storage instructions are at the end of this video. Cherry lime water, 2 ounces of 100% pure cherry juice concentrate from Traverse Bay Farms. 1 lime thinly sliced. 2 liters of water. Benefits: cherries contain antioxidants like quercetin and anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Cucumber mint water, 1 medium cucumber thinly sliced. 10-12 fresh mint leaves. 2 liters of water. Benefits: cucumber hydrates and cools the body, while mint promotes digestion and adds a refreshing flavor. Lemon ginger water, 1 lemon thinly sliced. 1 inch of ginger root, thinly sliced. 2 liters of water. Benefits: lemon is high in vitamin C and aids in digestion. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory agent that boosts the immune system. Apple cinnamon water, 1 apple thinly sliced. 1 cinnamon stick. 2 liters of water. Benefits: apples are rich in important antioxidants, while cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar levels. Orange blueberry water, 2 oranges thinly sliced. 1 handful of blueberries. 2 liters of water. Benefits: oranges are packed with vitamin C, and blueberries are superfoods that reduce DNA damage, which may help protect against aging and cancer. Strawberry lemon basil water, 10 strawberries halved. 1 lemon thinly sliced. Basil leaves, 2 liters of water. Benefits: strawberries and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which enhances skin health. Basil adds an anti-inflammatory dimension, promoting gut health. Pineapple mint water, 1 cup pineapple chunks. 10 mint leaves. 2 liters of water. Benefits: pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help in digestion and reducing inflammation. Grapefruit rosemary water, 1 grapefruit thinly sliced. 2 sprigs of rosemary. 2 liters of water. Benefits: grapefruit boosts metabolism and helps in burning fat, while rosemary improves concentration and digestion. Lime enhances flavor and aids in detoxification. Watermelon cilantro water, 1 cup of watermelon cubes. 1 handful of cilantro leaves. 2 liters of water. Benefits: watermelon is hydrating and rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Cilantro is known to help remove heavy metals from the body. Kiwi blackberry water, 2 kiwis peeled and sliced. 1 handful of blackberries. 2 liters of water. Benefits: kiwi is high in vitamin C and K and dietary fiber, which help with digestion. Blackberries add a nutrient boost and tart flavor. How to prepare: for all recipes, combine the ingredients in a large pitcher and fill it with water. Let the mixture infuse for at least 3-4 hours in the refrigerator or overnight for maximum flavor and nutrient extraction. Serve chilled and enjoy the refreshing taste and health benefits throughout the day. Detox waters are a wonderful way to stay hydrated and cleanse the body gently without the need for harsh detox diets. These waters provide a perfect base for experimenting with various fruits, vegetables, and herbs, allowing you to enjoy endless flavor combinations that not only taste great, but also promote health and wellness. Whether you're looking to detox after a heavy meal or simply want to increase your water intake, these detox water recipes are a delightful choice.